Hi. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build a custom search tool using a Python script. This you can see the logic is around 20 lines. The total script itself is 40 lines. Uh, so it's very easy. So let's see how we can build ourselves a search tool. So for this, what I the way in which I have done here is my script would be taking an input argument as a search string, that is some class name or file name or whatever name you want to search, and then another input argument would be the folder within which you want to search your thing, like your project source code project path, or whatever your log file path, log folder path where you want to do the search. And I've given an option of a customized search, like in Visual Studio you can see, or notepad plus plus also, and in many other editors you can see you can search in files only with particular extensions. So that feature also is there in this simple file search tool. So what I'm going to do with this is take these three input arguments, then just pass it on to our search files function, then just search in that path for the files. So you the search files function will take the directory in which you want to search, and here I'm using os.walk. This will search for, go through the folders recursively and give us all the files within the folder. So I've already created a tutorial video for os.walk. I'll add the link in the description for that video. And from here, you just go through each file and each directory and file within the directory also recursively, and just for each file we will check whether our extension is matching, like the file name ends with the extension. By default I am using .cpp and .h file. We can change the extensions while executing the script. I'll show you that in a minute. And if the file extension matches, then we open that file here and we enumerate through the file line by line and see if our search string which is passed is present in that line of the file. If so, we'll display the line. So this will basically be this will be very similar to the search which Visual Studio provides. Uh, of course, not all options of Visual Studio are put in this 40 lines of code. We can enhance it further. So, so this is where we call our search file method. So we are just passing the directory name to that. So let's see how the script uh, works. For this, I have taken a simple project which I had developed or done for my C++ learning purposes. So we'll try to see if it searches correctly. So I opened this file here. So let me search for something called, okay, class within a pointer. So I will open the script. So if you type -h, it will give you the help, like what are the arguments you have to pass. So I'll pass now the search string, which is this one, and my extensions I'll keep it default. By default, it will search for .cpp and .h, and the folder path I'd give with -f. I'll be giving the folder path of my project which I want to search. So this would be my folder path. Let's see if it searches. So here we go. It searches for the particular string. It found it in so many places. So this is the class within and pointer.cpp. This is the exact file where it found a lot of matches. So it gives you also the line number. So in line number 2 we found one, and in line number 13 it has to find some same one. Yes, it found it. So now say we can also change the extension. So I want to search say in a .txt file also. So how we can do that is uh, I will I have written some console. I'll search for a different string now. The path would be same. I'll search in the same path, and this is just to show that you can search within a different extension also. So extension I have given it as say I'll pass different extensions by giving -e. I'll say you also search in .txt, .h file also, and in .cpp file also. If I say enter, if you see it is searching in header files also, it found console app one here, application one. It also found it the same string in .cpp file also. It also searched through the .txt file also. So this is a simple search tool here. So further functionalities also can be added quite easily. Like this is now not searching for case sensitive. For example, if this file has console application in this line also, where it is not now it is not case sensitive, it will also give me the line number 4 in that file. So you can enhance it. It is quite simple tweak, and you want to, yeah, if you want some other things also, it can be done. Like you want to search multiple strings. Say now I'm searching only one string here, console application one. So if you want to search for multiple strings, uh, that also you can do. Like you say something else. You also search for facade object or whatever. So that also can be easily done using some minor updates to this script. So yeah, so that's how I'll give the link of the GitHub link for this code also in the description. So that's how you can do a simple search tool using Python. I hope you got some idea of how we can build a search tool. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel also. Yeah, that's it then. Thank you. Bye.